आजचा टॉपिक आहे डिफरेंशिएशन. It is an important topic for 11th and 12th for the subjects maths and physics. There are some rules for this, that is differentiation of addition of any terms or subtraction from any terms. That is differentiation of u plus v or u minus v. For this we need a formula, that is differentiation of, that is y is equal to u plus v. Suppose then differentiation of y, dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. After that differentiation of minus, that is only sign changes, dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx minus dv upon dx, the differentiation of with respect to x. For this there are some standard formulas, that is if suppose differentiation of x, that is d by dx of x, that is differentiation of x is equal to 1, that is differentiation of d by dx of e raised to x, that is e raised to x. Then differentiation of d by dx of 1 upon x, that is minus 1 upon x square. There are these some standard formulas. Differentiation of sin x, that is minus, that is cos x, and the differentiation of cos x, d by dx of cos x, that is minus sin x. And if a differentiation of d by dx of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Here some standard formulas, that is x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. This is the differentiation of x raised to n, that is suppose x raised to 5, d by dx of x raised to 5 is equal to the differentiation of this, that is n is here 5 x raised to n minus 5, that is 5 minus 1 4. Then differentiation of suppose x raised to 1 upon 3, then 1 upon 3 is n, and x raised to 1 minus 3, that is 1 upon 3 minus 1. Here base is not common, then multiply this 3, that is 1 upon 3 x raised to 1 minus 3 upon 3, that is 1 upon 3 x raised to minus 2 upon 3. This is the differentiation of x raised to 1 upon 3. Then differentiation of plus and minus. Suppose this is example, y is equal to x raised to 5 plus 4x square minus 3x raised to 4. For solving this, we can differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to, then apply rule, d by dx of differentiation x raised to 5 plus 4x square minus 3x raised to 4. And this d by dx is multiplied here in a bracket 3 times. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 5 plus d by dx of 4x square minus this 3 is constant, that is d by dx of 3x raised to 4. Then apply the standard formulas, that is x raised to n, x raised to n derivatives, that is d by dx of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. Then apply here, n is 5x raised to 4 plus this n is 2, this 4 to the 8x, that is 2 minus 1 1, that is power of x raised to 1, that is x, minus this 3 into 4 12, and x raised to n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 3. This is the derivative of this addition and subtraction terms, that is y is equal to x raised to 5 plus 4x square minus 3x raised to 4. This is the differentiation of this function. Here rule of multiply, differentiation y is equal to u into v. For this dy upon dx is equal to, for this derivative, first u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u, that is first and second, that is first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. This is the formula for multiplication of these two terms. For example, suppose here y is equal to x raised to 5 into sin x. For this derivative we can solve, differentiate with respect to x, that is dy upon dx is equal to first, that is u, into derivative of sin x, that is d by dx of sin x, plus second sin x into derivative of x raised to 5. Then next step, x raised to 5 as it is, derivative of sin x, that is cos x, plus sin x as it is, and derivative of x raised to 5, that is x raised to n formula, d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Here 5 x raised to 4. This is the derivative of multiplication of x raised to 5 into sin x. Find derivative of division of any two terms. Suppose for this there is a formula y is equal to u upon v. Division, that is in a fraction u upon v. For this formula, second into derivative of first minus first into derivative of second upon second square, that is second is v, this is first, this is second, u v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. Now for this, suppose an example, y is equal to x raised to 3 upon cos x, then multiply rule, dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x. For this, second cos x v into derivative of x d by dx of x cube, here middle minus, then u, that is x cube into d by dx of cos x upon second square, that is cos x square, cos x bracket square, cos x as it is, then here derivative of x cube, that is here x raised to n formula, 3 into x square minus x cube as it is, and the derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x upon this cos square x. Here derivative of cos x is minus sin x, this minus and this middle minus, minus minus in a multiplier, that is sin plus, then cos x, this 3 cos x or 3x square into cos x, minus minus, this middle minus and this minus sin x, this minus minus get plus, and then x cube is equal to sin x into sin x upon, this is a cos square x as it is.